Hi, my name is Alin Kalam. I'm the Program Director of Data Literacy and AI Essential Program at TU Executive Academy. I'm working right now at Unica Insurance, and there I'm leading two areas. One is market intelligence and another one is AI. So I coordinate 14 plus countries or AI agendas of Unica International. The Data Literacy and AI Essential Program is a tailored program made for leaders, executives, project managers, so more or less business experts who want to evolve and develop their portfolios into data and AI topics. So it's especially made for people from the cross-industry, and it addresses the day-to-day needs of those particular group of people dealing with data and AI topics. Core skill that participants gain from this program is data literacy itself, understanding how do data work, what is data, right? How is information created? How can I use this kind of data for my day-to-day decision making? How can I use this data for my organization's further development, innovation sector? And then the other aspect is the hands-on aspect, of course. So you learn to storytell, you learn to how visually analyze data. So these are hands-on capabilities you gain. And on the third block, the core aspect is on use cases. So you understand how can be data used in which scenarios, in which projects, in which, let's say, real life use cases, particularly to bring you further in your organization. The most important issue or topic is using the data, for your purpose, for the project or process optimization. But even more important is to present, to understand the different aspects of statistics, to communicate, because it doesn't matter how good your analysis are or how good of AI tool you're using. If you cannot storytell, if you cannot show it, if you cannot transfer the knowledge, let's say to your peer groups or your stakeholders, the chances are very high that you will fail. So the visualization and storytelling part concentrates exactly on that area, making sure that you don't miss out this very important part as well. So AI is one key area right now out there in technology sector. AI essential part is helping our participants gaining knowledge and overview over the market, what's existing in the market, what are the best practice, what are the technologies, and then we support and help our participants embedding those technologies, not only understanding part, but also embedding them into their day-to-day business. So as we know, change is the only constant in today's world, and even more in AI and data field. Nearly every week, some new tools are coming up and the technology is even becoming faster. So I would suggest interested participants to join us just to be on the pulse of the time. So more or less knowing what's going on, but as well how this directly affect my day-to-day job and directly affect my day-to-day working environment, my company, my organization. So this is, I think, the most important to be, updated. And that's what this program offers actually.